This is my new favorite place in Chiang Mai, Kaew Waterfall. They got like a huge trail behind it, but it's a bunch of like mini stops. And they've got a main waterfall you can climb up right here. And then you can go about halfway, like 2 kilometers up the trail. And there's a huge like stream that you can slide down. It's like a free water slide in nature. And it just carries you with the current. But super easy hike, and then if you want to do like a huge hike, it connects to Doi Satep and like all the bigger trails. There's like hundreds of places in Chiang Mai like this. It's amazing. Look at this, man. Got this all to myself today. Got the huge waterfall right there, and you can keep hiking up. And there's like smaller streams that you can play in. And you have the whole view of the city right here. Come up here, take a nap, meditate. It's amazing.